Hey, good morning, Algebra 1 students. How are you all this morning? This is Mrs. Kramer. Today, in addition to you all looking at how many masks can be made out of the large sheet of, or large piece of fabric, I also want us to look at more on multiplying polynomials. Sometimes you're going to be multiplying groups of polynomials that have more than two terms in each group. So as you can see with what I have in front of you to multiply, you have grouped together x plus 2 times the quantity x squared minus 5x plus 4. So this problem is a little bit different than the other problems we have worked earlier this week and last week. So there's a pattern that you're going to learn how to use to make sure that you get every term in one set of parentheses multiplied by every term in the other set of parentheses. So we're going to start this morning by taking the x that's in the first set of parentheses and multiplying it by every term in the second set of parentheses. So I'm going to step you through that. So I'm going to take x times the x squared. So x times x squared would be x cubed, because you just add your exponents. Okay, then I'm going to take that x and I'm going to multiply it by that negative 5x. Okay, x times negative 5x would be a negative 5x squared. So it would be a negative 5x squared. Okay, now I've got to take the x times the positive 4. So x times positive 4. X times 4 would just be 4x. So that would be plus 4x. That's only the first part of it. Now I've got to take the 2 that's in my first parentheses. Okay, I'm going to take 2 times x squared. Well, 2 times x squared would just be 2x squared. So that would be plus 2x squared. Okay, now I've got to take the 2 times the negative 5x. 2 times negative 5x would be a negative 10x. And the last thing I've got to do is take the 2 times the 4. So 2 times 4. A positive 2 times positive 4 would be a positive 8. Okay, now I have got to combine my like terms. Okay, is there anything that can go with x to the third? No, there's only one x to the third. So I'm going to bring it down. Okay, now let's look again. I have a negative 5x squared. What can I put with it? Do you see the positive 2x squared? So we're going to combine, we're going to put together this negative 5x and the positive 2x. A negative 5x and a positive 2x would be a positive 3x squared. So I will bring down plus 3x squared. Okay? Is there anything I can put with the 4x? The 4x and the negative 10x would go together. So I'm going to pair those two up. My 4x and my 10x. Okay? What is a positive 4x and a negative 10x? It would be a negative 6x. And then the last term that I have to deal with is the positive 8. There is nothing to go with. There's no term to put the positive 8 with, so it will just come down. So my original expression will simplify to x to the third plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. And I have it in descending order with the x to the third first, followed by the x squared, followed by x, followed by just a number being added to it. So that's considered what's called standard form, where I have it in descending order. That's something you'll be able to practice on. This is just a review of how to multiply polynomials when you have additional terms in your parentheses, when you have more than two. So it's a little different than what we did yesterday. If you have any trouble with this, email me and I will step you through it. If you guys find that this is too confusing and you need me to make you some additional YouTube videos, just let me know and I will be happy to. That is not a problem. It does not take that long to make these. And I do not want to do anything to confuse you. I am here to help you and to challenge you and to keep you moving forward. So that's our goal, guys. Keep moving forward. It is a great day to be a Minuteman. Hashtag Minutemen all in. I miss you guys. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye from Mrs. Kramer.